Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to make transparency border to image in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first, open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show make transparency border to image. Now going to the insert menu option, then click. Now click for picture option. Now find your picture. Now choose from picture, then select from insert option. Now you can see then going to the format menu option, then click. Now select from picture border option. Now select from width option, then select from 6 pd. Now we can see then going to the picture border. Now select from any source color. Now you can see make transparency border. Now again click from picture border option. Now select from width option, then select from more lines option. Now you can see then I show the new interface. Now select from transparency option. Now select from transparency from 50%. Now click for OK. That's it. Now you can see then again transparency border to image. Now click from page border. Now select from width option. Now select from more lines option. That it. Now you can see make transparency border to image in publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for